ka committee la thau dak tna tourism ko sarkar Jylla ringkat ka chingthmu ban pej bina igijing ajumut de ki kenhuan bat sunjuk beper haka bay day ban pakhang no ya kichuan rung ki kali tores na ki weipat ki Jylla shak jaka chungokai ha Meghalaya kala lumi ki chingelang Ïathir jingmut ha khatsantrek urisau archar apsau ha state convention center ya gari ko committee la lam khmat du ba Cyril V Darlong dingdo IAS Director of Tourism como Chairman Lem Kidkhot ba Kunthop na ka Office Deputy Commissioner District Transport Officer ka East Khasils District Assistant Commissioner of Transport and Secretary State Transport Authority but Assistant Director of Tourism Shillong Hagani ka jinglang lawan medi shimbanta de kinongelam na ki katto ka ni sinchuknya kali tourists ki tour operators ki try hotel ki tourism forum but tour guides habakran shigilat pathai khubor ding jinglang uba Cyril V Darlong dingdo IAS Director of Tourism como Chairman ka committee long baka mat ka bakilay bancur bah kade halor jingdan ki kali shimet ki ba penekam kum ki kali ban Kamai hakabaw lakuntu ki nongelam ju ginung sinchok habakiyo jingtep badan manu ba penekam di kali shimet ban Kamai ken hab ban pentep shaka office u District Transport Officer khanang bakin la banle ek badang kam Nolor ka tawlo angru bagani ka de chingalang ka bunukong jo committee ba kidan kisinchok ki bakhlempoi but kumta ansa khot iki shak chingalang hakaway pat kasngi.
So this was the first meeting of the committee formed by the government on 25th September to address the grievances of these association, right? So we had invited all the tourism stakeholders. One of the terms of reference of the committee was that we should consult all the tourism stakeholders. So we have consulted, we have called all the tourism stakeholders, including hotel operators, including taxi associations, including tour operators, tour guides, others. So all of them came and gave some valuable suggestions. We have asked them to give their suggestions in writing. And this is just the first meeting. So we'll be having other meetings also. 3 of the tourist taxi associations have come today. That is the Meghalaya Tourist Transporters Association, All Shillong Tourist Taxi Drivers United Organization, and the Khasi Hills Tourist Taxi Association.
So what about others?
The others didn't come, including the one where Darling is the president. No, they wanted to have a separate meeting, right?
Okay.
So we will call others also. There's no issue.
When you will call them?
We just finished this meeting, so we'll go back and issue the notice very soon. See, the suggestions were varied. We are examining each suggestion, right? So one of the suggestions was, for example, that some of the private vehicles are being used as taxis. So we told the DTO, please check. In fact, we told the associations that if you have any information that certain private people are using private vehicles as taxis, right? And this is genuine in the sense that for those who are having taxis, why should they suffer? Because private people cannot run taxis because that's illegal. So we told the associations, if you have specific information, please give it to the DTO, and DTO will ensure that they will carry out an inquiry, and we'll also pass on the message to the district administration.
So this committee, how many months will submit the report to the government? Will take?
See, this is the first meeting, right? So we have told all the stakeholders concerned, please give your suggestions in writing. We are waiting for the suggestions. Accordingly, we'll decide. We'll have other meetings. We'll meet the other associations also, and we'll take it forward. Accordingly, then I can comment.
Tentatively, can you tell us when you will meet up?
As soon as possible.
Bam bangi bam dunaki eki batte ye comment. Nabar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus f ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus f menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.